If you are looking for a fitness band as well as a smartwatch and you don't have a bigger budget for it, then you are on the right place in the right video. Stay tuned, I'll give you a better option later. I give you Xiaomi's Mi Band 3 Indian version. This is the Traveler Guy. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get started. This band comes with a loaded features. I'll discuss those features later. First of all, let me do a quick unboxing of the band I have ordered from Amazon. And you can also find the link in the description below if you want to order it. And there is one more surprise. So this is the band, looks out from the box. I will not read the instructions out on the box because I don't want to bore you guys by reading the instructions. This is the very important function of this band, that's the heart rate sensor, and that actually works. I've tried it, trust me. This is a sticker, I'll remove it later, but the screen looks the same. So it is not charged actually, you have to charge it, and let me check what's inside the strap, of course. And let me show you where would we put the charging cable. The charging cable is still in the box. Let me take it out of the box, and there is instruction manual also. And this is how you put the band for charging, like this. I will talk about all the accessories later. Let me keep these things aside for a moment and let me show you what's inside this packet. Actually, I've ordered one more strap. This is the blue camouflage strap. Let me show you the other black one. This is also from the Mi brand, by the way, as you can see. And if you will compare these two side by side, only the color is the difference. Other than this, all the things are same material, same everything, same brand, and the button is also the same. You will not get any sort of branding on this strap, by the way, but the quality is premium. So it comes in three variants. One is this blue camouflage, other is gray camouflage, and third one is green camouflage. I'll mention the link in the description below. You can order it from there if you want to order it. Let me quickly put the screen inside the strap and make it a proper band, and let's see how it looks. So here's the screen, and the method is to put it like this in the sides. Both has the fitting sides with which you can properly fit it. So this is how it looks, and let me quickly remove the sticker. And now I'm trying to power this thing up, but strange, there is no power at all in it. So first of all, I have to put it on the charge quickly, and then after that I can review this thing. So please bear with me for that time. Okay, let's utilize that time. In the meanwhile, I'll review the other things, the accessories I've got into the box. This is the charging cable, normal USB type B. So this is the cable, quality is fine. Now let's talk about the strap. It is made up of high quality silica material which proves to be last long and alluring. The silica strap doesn't cause any kind of irritation and allergy on the skin, thus making it skin friendly. So let me show you the app you need to install. Just go to the Play Store and look for Mi Fit, as this is the app you need to install to manage all the settings in the fitness band itself. So as soon as it gets installed, you have to pair your fitness band with this app. Basically it helps to pair your phone with the band, and now it's paired. So this is few instructions. This app is giving us how to use the band, the quick guide sort of thing. Now This shows us how to swipe between two apps and between two menu items, and this shows how to wear this band, and this is the last step of this quick guide. Now I will quickly move to the band itself, and it shows the basic functions, steps, heartbeat, and the weather also. So it shows 3 days of weather: the current day, coming day, and the day after that. And these are the functions, notifications, blah blah blah. And right now there are no notifications because we have to allow notifications from the app, and by default they are not available, and that's why there are no notifications. This is the stopwatch. Silent your phone. You have to provide permission from your phone to this band to control it from the band. And this is the about, and this is the screen. So in the screen you can change the layout of the time and everything, all the notifications that are shown on the screen. These are the 3 layouts available. I like the default one, the one that's already there. And now let me quickly show you the things. And this is the MI band, and these are all the functions. This is the unlock screen function. By default the band will be locked, and you can unlock it by swiping up. And now you have to provide access to check who's calling, like it will show the name of the caller. And now all these functions. Okay, there's a function in the band by which we can discover our phone. If we'll press on that button, it starts ringing, so it's that function. And then the wrist. Okay, so we can also define on which wrist we are wearing this band, and whenever we twist it, whenever we turn our wrist to see the time, it automatically shows us the time. So heart rate detection, I mean here we can schedule after how much time it detects automatically, or there is also a turn off option in which we can manually check our heart rate from the band itself. And this is the options we want to see in our band. From here we can also disable or enable the options, and it's the Bluetooth address and it's the firmware version. So this is the water test I have done with the tap, and now I'll put this in the water because it is 50-meter water resistant and also IP7 rating, so that we can also swim, and we can also do some exercise because it's sweat proof also. Now I'm checking it in the sunlight, and I'm also doing the wrist test, and I'm checking if whether it's working. It's working, and it's also visible in the sunlight. And also it prompts for the updation of the firmware after some time of using. So right now it's updating, and I'll let you know what's the extra function I got. And this is the extra function, the exercise function I got after updation, in which we can select this function, and after that it will track our heart rate and let us know how much calories we have burned. Right now I'm showing you this function, and you can see the light, that's the heart rate light, and these are the few specifications. Now let's talk about the battery. We haven't talked that in the whole video. So company claims that it can go for 20 days, but if you'll connect it with the Bluetooth with your phone, it will go for like 4 to 5 days, 5 days max. The only con I found out is it is not supported by iOS. That's it. Other than that, it is worth the money. And my final conclusion will be, without much twists and turns, to be frank, the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 smart bracelet is must have, especially those who wish to have a cool modern watch as well as need a device to focus on health and fitness, right from early morning jogging to the time the user retrieves back to his bed. The device assists in almost everything. Sleep is a crucial requirement for good physique, and mind is also considered in the watch, so go ahead and get your own Xiaomi Mi Band 3 bracelet without any hesitation. Link is in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel for more techno and travel videos like that. Thank you. See you in next one. Peace.